See? Chichi Bells. Thank you, Chichi Bells. No, it's because Chichi is our resident AI. He's an AI, yes. He's an AI. So when you tell him to do something, he's gonna do it because he's an AI, yes. Chichi, what's the weather today? What's the weather update for tomorrow? Chichi, what's the weather update for tomorrow? Yeah, he's an AI, yes. Chichi is an AI. It's calm. The weather tomorrow is calm. See? See, my AI is working. He's working, yeah. Mm. Yeah. Zandofilo. Ah? Someone's got a bedtime. Okay, good night. It's already late. Yes, I know, I understand. It's okay. Good night, Em. Thank you. I'm still gonna play your playlist. Yeah. Thank you. Chichi. Thank you, Chichi. Zandofilo. Kayo guys, di pa ba kayo naantok? Coco Pogi. Ah, totoo ba yan? Hi, Alex. Di ba ba kayo naantok? Ako naantok na eh. Tagal ni David eh. Smiley. And then you come around, you come around, you come around. I want you to be my sex slave. Anything that I desire. Be one with my feminine. Set my whole body on fire. Isa pa nga, Chichi. Hindi pala nag-record yung mga gift after ng lottery. Kasi hindi ko na-exit yung ano eh. Yung unfortunately, you did not win. Hindi ko siya na-exit. Sayang. Nakailan na si Chichin mag-send nun? 4? Hindi ko na-record yung 4. Okay lang yun, no? Kahit di ko na-record yung 4. Sada mo na lang ako na isa pa, Chi, para may at least may isang recording ako nung Touch the Soul. Para at least may isang recording ako ng Touch the Soul. Isa pa. Hindi yan. Yung Touch the Soul. Hindi ko na-record yun eh. Para pa nag-edit ako ng video mamayang gabi, may recording ako yun. Ayan. Nag-record pa ba? Thank you! Ayan, recording.